Hi, Karina Wecker here, and I'm going to do a short presentation on being an ed tech professional. Let's see if I can get this going. Okay, so what is educational technology? It is facilitating learning through use of technology. So you're not exclusively using technology solely just to get your message across. You're adding it to all of the layers of differentiation and tiering, tier 2, tier 3, to reach the students. It's just an added into your tool belt, if you will. 3 areas of education that educational technology affects or has an effect on. There is self-paced learning and agency. I cannot stress this enough, especially with some students that would prefer to walk alone, really. They don't need a lot of direction, and they want to just do the work and don't need anybody hovering around them. There's also students who need would like a lot of attention, and this is a great way to communicate without them feeling like I'm hovering with them, because then they can talk to me in Google Chat without making it seem like I'm standing right next to them. And then they can also stand up for themselves a lot through this, and I've seen it do wonders with my special education. So there's that. And then also collaboration with peers and interests of students. I've been very lucky that I have met so many wonderful teachers from all over the world recently in the past year and a half, and have kept in contact and really learning how education is going on in other places, in other locations. And especially bringing that has made me more confident to speak with the peers at my school now. And we analyze, okay, well, how can I help you with this lesson? And it's been really wonderful because a lot of it is digital. I just instantly send it off, and next thing you know, we're collaborating together. So it's been a great feature. Another is a level of engagement. I always stress the Charlie Brown voice that happens sometimes with students. They hear you talk and then it's like, whoop. And so if you can have almost like I call it my buddy, which is my projector, and the projector will have like a small video or a picture or an image, or we'll have Kahoot going, really, anything to help up the level of engagement is where we want to be. We want the students to walk away feeling like, oh, that was a really great lesson. I had so much fun. And then that's also where they had a lot of fun, but also it was almost like, you're sneaking in the vegetables, I guess, in a way. But they have a lot of interest in the subject. And there's multiple ways for them, as they get older to, again, with that self-paced, to do more research on their own. And then here, my personal why. And my personal why is a little bit of a two-parter, but I want to inspire and ignite or reignite a curiosity, passion, or even mild interest in using technology to serve a purpose. Recently, I had a few students who wanted to participate in a whole class Shark Tank Junior, but had terrible stage fright, to the point that the students would not even start on the Shark Tank Junior project because they knew that eventually they would have to present live in front of everyone in class. So I offered options to use VoiceThread or Flipgrid to submit presentations of their Shark Tank Junior project. I ended up with 90% of the students turning in really spectacular Flipgrid presentations and showing a side of themselves that I had never seen before. And just to finish off with this video, I think that educational technology can be so useful with really making sure that students who might have felt like they were left behind in a previous moment, that we are there for them. And so that is my why. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching.